If you're visiting Harrison Island, if you're visiting Harrison Island, it's really not really an island at all. Doesn't have hedgehogs that curl into balls, and water is wet, so look out when it falls. When you're visiting Harrison Island, there's a few kangaroos and a conference thing.